All right, quick and dirty stock analysis. SPY, we see again. Remember, I said it was expecting unexpected. Well, a lot of people probably went long and are getting trapped. It might be what we consider a bull trap, and I think that we are continuing to go downward. I think we need to see around this, 95 level, if anything, 195. But again, I would be very, very cautious, just because we see. I mean, if you look at the weekly, shit. All right, got it. Weekly time frame. You can see that we've had about 3 weeks down, and you're starting to accelerate the pace. Got to see what tomorrow brings, but tomorrow looks like I think it might be a down day, another down day. You got the QQQ. QQQ is continuing downward. I mean, again, this trend has, and then we say these 50% marks. We got to see it. So again, 98 is where we really start getting aggressive. But there's been a lot of, I'll talk about it later within the video. It's going to be very quick. But you can see kind of how they manipulated things regarding the indexes. So if you were looking, you could see that the names that were actually up that were floating before the last hour were Walmart, Disney, CME, Boeing, who else? Visa. These are down names that they were keeping kind of floating until they dumped it at the end. But you see the really good beta names we're actually getting shitted on. And what I mean is you got Amazon, LinkedIn, GoPro, Baba, Apple, Twitter. You got Priceline that broke 1,000, which is a huge thing just psychologically to say that what the hell is going on. So you got to make sure that you look at those things and make sure you look at the markets holistically and understand how things can get manipulated. IWM breaking down again, broke up, breaking down some more. I think we got some more to go. And last but not least, the diamond, which again, this is your father, this is your grandfather saying, "Oh, the market's up, market's down." There's a reason why there's only 30 stocks in there, because they can manipulate it so easy. Okay, let's look at the names that I was talking about. Apple is breaking the 50% mark. So again, it was a great short here, but now you can see, okay, let's see if it flags up and gives us another opportunity. GoPro, wish I didn't sell a damn short that I covered the day before. I covered right here, around here. So again, I think it continues to go down. Again, it might be a chase for some people, but again, it's still looking bearish, and there's nothing to tell you otherwise. Tesla kind of floated a little bit today, which I was just like, okay, we'll see what the price action gives, but it's still in a very bearish situation. So see if we get any follow through to the downside. I was looking for this around that 181 area. You got Amazon continuing to the downside. I'm still holding this position. I got in around this 308 area. Baba, I wish I would have taken the short but again, I was away from my desk on Monday. It is continuing to look sick. Baidu was another one that I wanted to look at for the downside. Same day I wanted to take it. So again, I would be rolling my stop to break even, but now it's under our 50%. So we have to be very aware of where things are. Microsoft breaking the 50%. Again, 45, break a 45, I'm out. Honestly, 45, 30, I'm out. But again, look at how this stuff is creeping down. It's just grinding down, but it's breaking 50%. So it's definitely in a line in the sand that you need to be very, very cautious with. Another one that's moving down is still, I think we got crude down to 41.38 target. Okay, hard to short this shit. It's just so hard because you're just like, God, like, you feel like you're chasing the tail end of the move. But again, if you look at the future, I think that you have more downside potential to go. So just going to keep it at that. Let's another beta name, Google. Google giving you a little bit of bounce. Okay, again, maybe I would have got stopped out around here, quite honestly. Or maybe if it gapped up, I would definitely be stopped out. But still looking down, still looking weak. Don't try to pick the damn bottoms of things. I mean, are you trying to trade this retracement? Trade this retracement? Trade this retracement? Trade what the trend is, my friend, and that'll make you money. Again, if you want to watch my videos, of course, you can find me. Sometimes I chat on Stocktwits, and I also am on hotstockmarket.com. And if you like what you see, give me some. I get no feedback. Trust me, I know I'm not showing like bicep curls or something like that. I'd have 10,000 views, but thumbs up the video for Christ's sake if you like what you hear. And also, leave some comments below. Do you like what you got going on? Do you want to see a name? Leave it in the comments or something like that. Do you like, I mean, I'm over here, it feels like I'm talking to myself, but I'd appreciate some type of feedback just to let me know that, you like what you got going on. Well, like what I got going on regarding the channel. So take care and be careful longs. You don't have to go long, and you don't, ride the trend down. If the trend is immediately to the downside and you want to go long, you're just going to have to wait for a better entry. Take care.